never catch a glimpse of me. Don't you worry, it's okay to take a peek. See the magic words now, pretty please. Yeah, you try to hide it, and you've gotten curious. So let your fear.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Space of Life. As today is Sunday, so as a working lady, I consider this day of cleaning, organizing and homemaking so that I can start the next week in organized manner. When your house is clean, you feel happy, healthy and motivated. So today I will be sharing some of my cleaning routines which I do to keep my home organized and clean. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you really like my initiative of making this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Till my next video, bye bye.